Hey guys, welcome. So I just want to do this quick tip video for you guys today because I got in the new 3D embossing folder plate. I was so happy to receive this, and and I apologize for the messy desk, but I figured that you guys would appreciate this video versus me organizing this desk first. So when I pulled it out and I started working with it, where's the embossing folder that I was using? Okay, I started off with this scripty 3D embossing folder. I love this embossing folder. It is so pretty, so elegant. I just love it. So I pulled out my instructions here and I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, for the 3D embossing folder, it's saying that you need the standard plate, a specialty plate, and then your embossing folder. Well, if you try to run it through your machine, it's not going to work. You still need your platform. Well, I came into a problem. So I pulled my platform, and then it said that you needed your embossing plate. Then it said you need your embossing folder. And I'm going to use right now the high C's one. And it tells you that it works better if you put this side in here. Okay. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Try to run it through. It gets stuck. Now, you never want to force this. So I was sitting there baffled, trying to figure out what is going on, why this isn't working. I followed the instructions. You can't just use this because this just goes right through. You need your platform. Well, I've come to realize, just like the way we were doing it before when we had the other brand that was thicker, you just need your platform, your embossing folder, and then place the blue embossing plate. Do not use this for cut, just embossing. So repeat after me. Blue is for embossing, not cutting. And I'm actually going to label this for embossing only so I can remember. And then I'm going to run this through. Now, I have an electric one, so that's the beauty of right now not having a machine. Get to explore the different machines that I have. Because it works better just because of my fingers, and I get like carpal tunnel and stuff, so. But look at that. That is so gorgeous. And this one here, so this is the scripty. And this one was using the new embossing plate. And this one is using just a shim. So I was using the 2 standard plates and then some extra cardstock as a shim. And you can really see the difference in the emboss. So I just wanted to come through real quickly and give you that quick tip. And since I'm actually going to post this video today, I want to say a happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. And I hope you are enjoying your day. So thank you. God bless. And we'll be back soon. Alrighty. Bye-bye.